Churachandpur District Police organized a run for unity under the theme Say No to Drugs, Choose Health, Choose Life, Together for a Safer, Stronger Society today. The 10K run was flagged off from Forest Gate Traffic Point, Tuibong by Deputy Commissioner of Churachandpur, Krishna Kumar, in the presence of Churachandpur SP Gaurav Dogra. The run started from Forest Gate Traffic Point at Tuibong, proceeded towards Tiddim Road via Lanva, Gangpi Mall and through Pierstonmun. From there, the runners took Tipaimuk Road, rejoined Tiddim Road and finally culminated at Peace Ground, Tuibong. More than 3,000 individuals participated in the run. Dignitaries and officials from the district administration, ITBP, police and local people also took part, reflecting strong community spirit and unity. The youngest participant was 12 years and the oldest participant was Telsing Ngamko Khai, 63 years. The Run for Unity aimed to promote individual health, fitness, drug awareness, police public relations, and to encourage youth for police recruitment. In the male category, MD Rashish Khan of Yaripok secured first position, followed by Benjamin Semintang Baite of Panglian in second and Kulakpam Mustakim Kwakta in third. In the female category, Lingdai Kim Kipken bagged first position, Baby Veining Ting secured second, and Hatne Jan Haukip secured third position.